How to use proxy in Telegram. So if you go to your settings in the bottom right, and then there's data and storage, and in the very bottom there is proxy, and then you can tap use proxy, and then there are two types, SOC S5 or MT Proto. So usually MT Proto is more popular ones. And then here you just need to enter server port or server port and secret. So now where to find it? So if you just, Google Telegram proxies, there are a bunch of like websites where they just offering like public proxies. And then basically you just tap on that link and you will be able to add like these public proxies here to Telegram. So just basically tap on that website. Of course, I don't know how safe is it, and but then you can just tap on there and on that any website, and then just it will automatically load here in Telegram.